I just bought this Shine Kitchen Company electric spiralizer, and this is like the third spiralizer that I have, maybe the fourth, for making zoodles with zucchini. I unboxed it all. It looks pretty straightforward. I did a little bit of washing, and there's 4 cones, and I chose this cone, which I think is like the angel hair one. That little white tube just locks into place real easy. And then this black pusher thing. There's these 2 little clips that you just push on and whoop. I love this design, and it's very easy to set up and start working with, like really easy. Check it out. Just turn it on. Okay, let's check it out. I am pretty sure that I used the spaghetti cone on this one, and I found it to be a little bit too thin. I don't know about you, but I like my zoodles a little bit thicker. Maybe a cucumber would be a different result, or probably a carrot I might enjoy. I'll have to try that. I don't know. Do you guys peel your zucchini? I don't mind the green part, so I never peel, but it gives maybe a prettier look to it. I'm going to show you a recipe by Ted Carr, and I think he likes to peel his zucchinis. So anyway, that's coming up in a sec. The little blades here have like the numbers on them that tell you which result you're going to get. And so now I'm trying the fettuccine, the fettuccine blade. I like the way I got mostly down to the bottom of that zucchini. Not a lot of waste here. And I appreciate the way the fettuccine noodles came out. For me personally, I just like the little bit of thicker ones better. And their instructions are pretty nice. It was, again, I thought this was a very easy machine to set up. And I didn't try the ribbon blade, but there's also that option. Now I'm going to make a quick sauce that I saw Ted Carr make on one of his YouTube videos or something. He's Ted Carr, Carr, at Fruitarian on Instagram. And I put a big handful of basil, and then I put 2 mangoes and 3 dates. And that's it. And it was so delicious. He was right. I really liked it. So once again, I put in like a large container of basil, organic basil, and then I had 2 mangoes. I might do 3 next time, and I did 3 dates. And my taste buds have really changed from when I was growing up and a binge eater and on the standard American diet to where I've been plant-based and now being more like high raw, where I eat a cooked dinner but love my fresh fruits and veggies during the day. This here is the first spiralizer that I bought. It's an OXO brand. It was $20. I highly recommend this if you're new to wanting to try zucchini noodles. In our latest retreat menu update, we added a zoodle dish, and it is fabulous. People love it. Check us out, plantlifejourney.com. Many blessings.